The cheetah, renowned as the fastest land animal, boasts remarkable acceleration and top speed. Its lightweight frame, long legs, and semi-retractable claws enable rapid acceleration, allowing it to reach speeds up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour, in just a few seconds. This incredible speed is complemented by the cheetah's agility, enabling it to make sharp turns while pursuing prey. However, such high-speed chases are brief, typically lasting only 20 to 30 seconds, due to the immense energy expenditure and heat generated. This combination of speed and agility makes the cheetah a formidable predator in the wild.